Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing to be in the kitchen, and today we will make you a nice, lovely, healthy breakfast in the morning. Hopefully you like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. And listen, it's just egg in tomato sauce, and you can make it at home, and it's a special recipe, new ideas for the fans. And thank you so much to tune in to my show. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Welcome back, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, we're gonna make you a Shakshuka breakfast recipe today. This is just a new ideas, new recipe for Chef Ricardo. But anyway, we will take you through the recipe and we will demonstrate to you, and you can make this recipe for breakfast in the morning. I want to say it's a healthy breakfast and it's really good for you. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. It's a Shakshuka recipe dish with egg and tomato sauce, onion, garlic, and a lot more seasoning. Enjoy and subscribe and leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching my show. Lovely and nice medium-sized front pan on the stove with a pinch of butter, unsalted butter, and white onion, and then next thing what we're going to do is garlic, lovely and nice. So I'll take off the garlic and the white onion for about 5 seconds. Nice and lovely. So now we'll go for about 4 minutes now to 5 minutes. We're gonna chop 1 can of chopped tomato. Looking lovely and nice. Then next, what we're going to do now is mix herb, little bit of pepper, and give it a good stir. Looking lovely and nice. Little bit of tomato paste. So leave this to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, guys, this is it right here. So basically what we're going to do now, make a little space. And what we're going to do is put in that lovely egg. Lovely and nice. So we're gonna fill it off with some egg. All right, nice and lovely. So as you can see, I'm gonna put in the last one. Lovely and nice. Then next what we're going to do is sprinkle a little bit of mixed herb on top. That's for color. And pepper again. And also pinch of salt. and cover it for 10 to 15 minutes on a medium size heat. Nice and lovely. So look at this, guys. Man, that is beautiful and nice. So as I can see, that is fantastic, guys. Look at the recipe. Beautiful and really lovely and nice, as you can see. So we're gonna give it another 5 minutes and then we're gonna share it out. Lovely and nice. So guys, look at this. Done and dusted and beautiful. And all I need to do is just finish it off with some lovely coriander on top of it like this. And this is beautiful and really nice. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Got a lot more tips, ideas, and recipe for you. And this is the way I'm going to serve it. And some bread. Alright? Lovely and nice. So as I can see, this is from Chef Ricardo. And I make you a nice, lovely, healthy breakfast this morning. Shakshuka. And hopefully you guys will like the recipe. And please subscribe and leave your comments below. Thank you so much for tuning into my show. And hopefully we can come with best, better in the future. And this is from Chef Ricardo on the team, and see you next time. Bye bye. Lovely and nice. As I can see, this is what happens when you make it in the morning for breakfast. Really lovely and nice. Shakshuka, really nice and lovely. So hopefully guys you like the recipe. And look at this now. So I just share it out, and that's the way it looking so lovely and nice. Thank you so much to tune into my show, and thank you so much guys for watching it, and leave your comments, subscribe. And this is Shakshuka egg in tomato sauce. Enjoy it, subscribe, and remember one thing, you can use chopped tomato. If you have chopped tomato at home, you can use that one, and this one is just chopped tomato sauce. More easy and quick. And thank you. Enjoy it and see you next time. Bye bye.